16 years old of the Hanaka Festival in the Wari Country and Batas Night. Ang babae po, nagpatipok sa speaker po sa bahay nyo, John Lloyd Cruz. Ang naging guest po, mga kaibigan, sabay-sabay na po natin palakpakan. Ang pangalan ni Binibining, Bea Alonso, at nag-iwan ulit ng katagang. Sumulangit na ang kaluluha. Thank you.
Kung ikaw, another set.
Ako naman, hindi na mag-ano ako.
Oh, go. Candidate number 4, Miss Maxine Magalona.
From the capital state of Smile, which is Bacolod. By the way, my name is Aya Monte Carlos, 16-year-old, pursuing high college in
Okay, go.
From the capital, from the capital state of Smile, which is Bacolod. By the way, my name is Aya Madrigal, 16-year-old, pursuing high school at Santa Madrigal National High School. But it's nice to allow me to stand with you.
Go.
Silipin niyo po ako sa unang kanilin namin na pinag fiesta. At meron po head and shoulder baby sandwich Maxine Magalonan. Silipin po ng mga tagang di ba na kutawagin baklang, pagkato, maglang baklang, gumagamit ako. Thank you.
At dyan po nagtatapos ang Miss Gay. Keme Keme. Sayaw!
Keme, keme, keme.
Ten 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 ten. Hey! Ten 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 ten. Wanna be with you. Ten ten ten. I just wanna be happy. Ten 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 ten. Thank you po, Miss Maxine.